Hello again, everyone. I wanted to just do a little short video today about an upcoming TV restoration that I'm going to be doing. This is a 1948 Hallicrafters model T54, and a lot of folks remember the Hallicrafters name. They actually started in 1932. Big into radios. Had a lot of military contracts, and they built great radios and really popular radios that folks could depend on. They knew it was a good name to buy. But a lot of people don't know that Hallicrafters actually did get into TV business. This is a 1948, and that's the first year that they were in the TV business, and this is their first model. And in reading about the Hallicrafters company, it was in 1952 when they had over 2,500 employees working at one factory. So that at that time they were making lots of radios and several TVs. Don't know exactly how many, but they were a pretty popular set. From what I can find out, they built TVs until around the late 50s, 58 or 59. That was their last model that they came out with. I could be wrong on that, but from what I've read, that's accurate. Another interesting thing about this set, it does seem to be mostly original. Now, I've taken the chassis out and looked at it, and it's had a couple of the electrolytics that have been changed, but paper caps all look original. Everything else, from what I could tell, hasn't been touched. So I'm anxious to get into this thing and see what I find out. This set has a 13-channel tuner, and it started at channel 1. Went from 1 to 13, which the early sets, that was what they had. They had a channel 1 in 1948, apparently, because they put it on their set. I just finished restoring a model T505 Hallicrafters. It's basically the same chassis as this. It looked exactly the same. The case is different. This case, it opens up. And you can see all the dirt and dust. I can imagine they got a lot of it because this top is vented to let, I'm sure, to keep the thing cooler and let all the heat out, but it also let all the dust in. So this is the way this set comes apart. It's not like a typical TV. You got to pull this front off. Of course, the knobs first. Pull this front off, and then the chassis slides out of the cabinet. This is all, the back doesn't come off. It's all made together with the side. So you have to take the chassis out from the front. So a pretty unique set. This one, yeah, it's got some rust on the case because these were metal cases, all metal, front, back, top, and bottom. So it's got some rust on it, but that's easily taken care of. Did check the 7JP4 picture tube, and it's pretty weak, very low emission. So I don't know what we'll do about that. I've got a couple more tubes that I can use if I have to, so we'll see how that goes. Let me show you the back real quick, and we'll wrap this up. And here's the back of the set. One thing I did notice, these knobs, they're different than the knobs on the T505 that I just restored. So they apparently changed knobs in midstream. These look more like their radio knobs. They probably were radio knobs, about being an early version of this set. This slot right here, that's where the antenna wire comes out. And when I had the chassis out, I just didn't put the wire back in because I was going to be pulling the chassis back out again anyway. So that's where it comes out. Twin lead, 300 ohm wire hooked to your outside antenna. And this top has snaps on it to close it. But that's a look at the 1948 Hallicrafters model T54. We'll be restoring this set, so stay tuned for that video. So thanks for watching. See you next time. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks.